For any turbo installation, the following rules must be strictly followed. Please do not change any of the settings or the calibration of a turbo. Doing so may damage the turbo or the engine and voids the warranty. For VNT turbos, do not adjust minimum vane open position under any circumstances. Doing so could cause serious damage to the turbo or engine. Next, ensure that the correct gaskets are used. The center hole of the gasket must be perfectly aligned with the center hole of the flange. We do not recommend using liquid gasket or sealants, particularly for the oil inlet or outlet, since excessive material may enter the turbo, reducing or stopping oil flow. For information on oil torques and installation details, always refer to the engine or vehicle manufacturer's manual for correct information. A modern turbo is highly sophisticated and runs at high speed. It is important that during the whole process, you prevent dirt or debris from entering any part of the turbo